Top of the morning to you beautiful people, back again. So this is the second half. Today we're focusing on going out with the old and in with the new. So we got a brand new set of wheels and tires right there. We're running a little late right now. We're still on track for time, but we have to be at Firestone by 10 o'clock. Right now it's 9:20, so it's only about a 15-minute drive. So let's get the E91 out of the garage, load up these wheels, and then head over to Firestone so we can get everything balanced and aligned. We need an alignment on this car really bad. So we'll get it balanced, we'll get an alignment, and then we'll get them mounted. Yo, does anybody have any idea why the rear hatch keeps opening? It just opens by itself randomly. I'm gonna have to look it up. Matter of fact, I'm gonna hit my boy Gene up and find out. It's like the regulator just keeps on popping. I don't know. It's so weird. Anyways, let's get out of here. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get everything without putting it back down. I think we'll be able to. Looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. All right, y'all, let's do it. Let's make our way over to Firestone. We got an appointment at 10. It is now, I'm not too sure. Let me see. Give me a moment. So 9:32, we're on our way to Firestone in Temecula so they can get us all hooked up. I'm really enjoying the way this car drives, man. It's been a long time. I'm so used to being up high and in a truck that it's nice to be in a car. It feels like I'm flying. Even though I know that the Tundra is so much faster, you know, with the twin turbo V6, just being so low to the ground in this car, it feels really fun. All right, y'all, we just made it to Firestone. We're going to go inside. Let's get this all set up. We have an appointment already. We'll give them the keys, let them know the wheels are in the car, and then wait a couple hours for it all to be done. Probably just go to the mall across the street in the meantime while we wait, and then come back and we should have a fresh new whip. All right, they just called me to pick up the car. I've been spending the last 2 hours over at the mall. So now I'm going to pick it up. It only took me about a 10-minute walk. But it was 50 degrees this morning. Now it feels like it's damn near 80. And I see the car. Let's see how it looks. All right, it's right there, but the bush is blocking it. Oh man, and it looks amazing. It's in perfect height. I'll pull it up out of the spot and we'll do a walk around. But I don't know, guys, this looks incredible. All right, so it's time for the first drive on the highway. We're about to get on, just waiting to turn, and then we'll get up to some highway speeds and see how it goes. Oh yeah. It's night and day. It's completely night and day. So before, any little bump you hit, it just jerked it to the right. Now, not an issue at all. Perfectly straight, no shake. Let's get up to about 70 and see what happens. Oh yeah, we're good. So obviously, because of the ride height, there is some camber that can't be adjusted with I think there's stock suspension, stock control arms, but I don't know. I won't be able to tell until I put it up on the lift, and I'll probably do that later on this week, if not the following week. But we got time. We just got the car. Let's enjoy it. Shit, I went the wrong way. Well, guess I gotta pay attention. We got some simple parts that we're gonna be replacing. All the interior lights. Let me see here. I think I got them down here. Car LED bulbs. So we got LED bulbs for all the interior lights. We're gonna be switching those out. And then we have side LED markers. These are smoked out ones, blacked out, so it's gonna match with the blacked out simple look. And then when we go ahead and apply the wrap later on in the series, it's gonna look hella clean. So first thing is removing these old crusty side markers, and they're super simple. You just push back, a little bit of force, and you pull out, and boom, dongle's right there. I'm gonna go ahead and unclip this. There's so much debris because this has never been cleared out, never been messed with before. It's a good thing. We'll push up and we pull out, and there it is. Go ahead and spray that area, clean it up, and then we'll grab the new one, clip on the module. Clean it up. Any old residue. We have the old bulb style. Now the new LED. And now that we got one side, all we have to do is move on to the next. Alright y'all, well that's going to be it for today's video. I appreciate you guys as always for tuning in. If this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and give us a like, a follow, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. We're trying to grow this for y'all. We're going to be bringing more car content, cars and coffee, and so on. On the next video, we've got some interior accessories as well as exterior accessories that we're going to be adding on to the Beamer. So stay tuned, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.